Chargeable Vasel mission 402 Tnpsc, UPSC bank exam. Study program for postgraduate degree holders. Economics. Important notes in English. An economic guide to microeconomics. What is equilibrium? Equilibrium is a state where market supply and demand balance each other, resulting in stable prices. Generally, prices fall due to an excess supply of goods and services, which provides more demand, while a reduced supply or shortage results in lower demand, causing price to rise. A market is said to have reached the equilibrium price when the supply of commodities matches the demand. Equilibrium demonstrates three characteristics. Customers' behavior is consistent. Customers have no incentive to change their behavior. And a dynamic equilibrium governs outcomes. Many types of equilibrium are used in economics. Disequilibrium is the opposite of equilibrium and is characterized by changes in conditions that affect market equilibrium. In fact, markets are not always in perfect equilibrium, although prices tend toward it. The forces of supply and demand are relatively equal, and the market can said to be in a state of equilibrium. An example of equilibrium: a shop manufactures 1,000 handkerchief pieces and sells at 10 rupees per piece, but no one is willing to pay that price. To increase the demand, it reduces its price to rupees 8. There are 250 buyers to buy in that price. Again, the manufacturer lowers the price to rupees 5, and he gets a total of 500 buyers. And once the price is reduced to 2 rupees, there will be thousands of buyers of handkerchief pieces. At this price point, supply equals demand. Hence, the equilibrium price for handkerchief piece is rupees 2. Thank you. You just watch all these is recorded in the description side. If you want to print it, you take copy of that. Thank you.